What is up, guys? BTTF14 here, and we are returning with part 2. The PC has arrived, so let's get down to business. Now, I know in the last video I said I would explain all these switches and what they did. The other switches are also going to have functions, but I'm going to talk about those a little later. But I don't believe I actually did, so I will explain them now. First switch is for power. Second one is for the cooling, the other fans. Third one is for the flux capacitor light, and then the fourth and fifth ones are for the meters. After that, I started unspooling some wire so that I could solder up the fan hub. This fan hub is all connected up to the switch and controls 5 of the fans in the computer, excluding the CPU fan. At this point, all that remained were the last 2 switches, which controlled the meters inside of the case. I decided not to wire those up until I had installed this inside of the case. At this point, installation was fairly simple. I just had to remove 2 remaining drive bay covers and then slide control panel in. After that, there was a tangle of wires all on the inside. I simply had to cable manage them and then connect them to the proper meters. Once the wiring was organized, I used LED lighting, tubing, and clothes hanger to build the flux capacitor. I then installed it into the PC and connected the power wire so that it would light when the switch was flipped. As for the meters, I set up a small mount point using hot glue and an old cordless phone. This makes them easily removable from the computer for either cleaning, repairs, or if it just needs to be removed in the future. The same goes for the plutonium chamber meter, which is only connected using this old project box and twist ties. Because the stock side window is kind of ugly and hides the meters, a new piece of plexiglass has been ordered to be put in. However, because it didn't arrive in time for shooting, I decided to remove it to give you guys an idea as to what it would look like. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos as much as I enjoyed doing this project. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.